coconut flakes 150 gram, sugar 600 gram of sugar, egg 15 eggs, butter 750 gram of butter, coconut milk 5 cm, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, coconut flavor, quarter spoon of salt, 750 gram of flour, sifted all-purpose flour. So the first thing we are going to do is you get your oven preheated. Then after getting your oven preheated, you get your flour, your baking pan oiled, and put some flour on it so that you will not have a stick cake. So the first, when pouring my butter, the butter and the sugar go in first. Your butter and your sugar go in first. So you get it mixed. So I'm going to get the egg. I've gotten it broken, so I'm just going to whisk it. Just whisk your egg a little before pouring. So now I'm going to pour the dry ingredients together. That's my baking soda. So I'm going to measure my salt out. Then my baking powder. Okay. Then my coconut flakes. Pouring everything together. So now I'm going to scrape the edges and now add in my So I beat it on a high speed for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to add in my egg. I'm not going to add everything at once. I'll add them gradually. In case you're using an hand mixer, that will be much easier, but if you need to use your hand, it's a lot of work, and I don't think you will want to get into that. So I'm going to scrape it again. Then add more until I finish everything. So I've just loaded my mixer. So I'm going to be adding my flour in, all the dry ingredients, add them bit by bit, and so you keep adding until you finish everything. So you can add some of your liquid. Keep adding your liquid. So I'm going to increase my speed, let it beat. So this is it. So just lift it up, get this off. So I'm going to pour it in my baking pan, share it in between the three of them. So we're going to be baking for 120 degree. Our oven is already preheated. So I'm going to be putting it in my oven, one up and the other one down. So for 120 degree.